Here we go.
Let me know when you're ready.
All right, we're ready.
Okay, this is the diesel heater that I'm building. The diesel heater is about one of the best things to really buy right now. Don't use gas heaters. Them gas ones, they're dangerous. Diesel heater, that runs off of propane. They give off enormous amounts of heat.
It's great. It's very warm.
And it's clean heat.
So explain your system, how it works.
Well, this one works this way because my diesel heater is set so that it sucks in air this way, which is, this is your inlet. It goes in, around, and it comes out this way. So since it goes in and out, it equalizes the pressure inside of the truck. And in the back, you have your exhaust pipe where you can put anywhere, where the exhaust comes out here, and the intake is in here, which is for the diesel heater, which is the best thing to ever use.
Now tell me about that you have it up to this battery, right, but you also have other...
Right, it runs off a battery. It starts off at 10 amps. 10 amps and 9 amps and 120 volts.
Okay.
Once it gets up to power, it drops down to about 2 amps.
Okay.
And only run at about maybe 26 watts.
So just to get it started, it goes up a little bit.
It needs that.
And now it's pumping out really warm air. It feels great.
It uses a glow plug. The glow plug has to get hot. That's what burns the oil and the gas and creates the heat.
Now you said this is diesel heat.
Huh?
You said it's diesel heat. Now, explain the portability of why this is better than, something that's already permanent. It's portable. You can take this anywhere. So
he could take this anywhere.
So I could have it in my van. I could also take it to a garage that I'm working in. I could take it to a job site.
Any site.
I could take it inside the house when I lost power in the house. Right. Any of those things, because it's totally portable.
Wherever you at, where you need heat.
This is really nice. I mean, I was comfortable, but I mean, having this heat on me right now, it feels good. It feels good. It does.
But see, this is the goal.
All right, he's coming. He's going. He's coming. So this is, we just started talking, and I'm in a parking lot, and we started talking, and the next thing you know, he's showing me this. Okay, so the goal was to be portable. Right. Yep.
This here is a 9 amp hour Ryobi battery.
Okay.
With a 9 amp hour Ryobi battery.
Okay.
This is a 30 amp, 12 volt, 360 watt power supply. With that, and this, you can plug this up to the Ryobi battery, and guess what? This will run off of the Ryobi battery and the power supply for about 12 to 13 hours.
So that's even without carrying a heavy, bigger battery. But right now, this one's not charged up, so we're using you're using the big one right now.
I keep that in the car because
gotcha.
I have sometimes my battery in my truck runs low because I constantly run the radio all the time.
So tell them your name and your phone number so that people can.
My name is Wesley.
Wesley.
My phone number is 410.
Yep.
961.
Yep.
7724.
Say it one more time.
410 961 7724. Or you can email me at wsmith1701e@gmail.com.
And you make custom systems for people that are portable. Custom. And we could do and this is great for me. I'm in the van community, but it's also great for people that have garages and warehouse and project sites and basements or whatever, that they want to have a little bit of something that when things go out, when the power goes out, you put the power back in your hands.
Right. My nephew has a shed in the back. He does a lot of work back there.
So
he's always running these 1,500 and 2,000 watt heaters.
Okay.
So we plug this up, which is
much more economical.
12 volts.
12 volts.
12 volts. Fully running. It's using anywhere from 19 to 26 watts at 1.6 or 2 amps.
That's great. That's fantastic. Seriously. This is a game changer. Do you have I have a different plug. I want to, how you plug in electric and you can show how many amps are going? I have that built into like one of those electric plug things.
Right.
But that would be another great thing to show. So
Right.
we could show. Let's zoom
right.
in on
With
that.
this
right
here,
now.
this will tell you all the amps and the power. This
Yep.
will tell you how many volts you're using, how many watts.
I mean, and it really does feel great. And I got to tell you, I've bought other things that have been disappointing. So I've like returned those things, but I've been debating about what to do. And like I said, I've been just using an electric blanket. But this is very comfortable, and I gotta say that would make my work process a little more comfortable in the winter.
This is
a game changer. Yeah, it really is.
If you got an open space right here,
Yeah.
you can put it in here.
Yep.
Cut a hole here to suck the air in.
Yep.
And then you use the wire pipe. This comes with a long pipe and a piece like this. That's why
Right.
you can put one piece to blow here.
Yep.
And then extend the other piece up the top
Yes.
to blow up there. This will heat your van up.
And you know what? Since my water storage is under there, that would also keep the water from not freezing.
So one blow.
That's a
under
great
the storage
idea.
Where the water is.
That's
and
a great
one to
idea.
Blow out of here.
That's a really great idea. And tell me your name again.
My name is Kevin.
Kevin, and tell your phone number again.
410
Yep.
961
Yep.
7724, or you can reach me at wsmith1701e@gmail.com.
Well, thank you so much, and everybody, this could be a game changer in the van industry and van life and in RV life, and the fact that it's portable, that you've designed a prototype that's portable, and you can also customize other projects based on what somebody's needs are.
Right.
This could really be a way for people to get heat at an affordable price with diesel heat.
You can go to it now.
And how much is like filling up one of those containers cost?
Fill up this one. See, I bought a smaller tank. The
Right.
original tank is something like 26 liters.
Okay.
This is only 10 liters.
Okay.
But
So
if
you
you
could
get the
you could
tank-
customize it to
Yes.
whatever somebody needs.
I made this with a smaller gas tank so that it doesn't take up a lot of space. The bigger
Right.
tank sits up that
Right.
high. That's
Gotcha.
too high.
Right.
But if you buy the diesel heaters online, they run like anywhere from $89 to $139.
Okay.
And it's worth it.
Yeah.
You can take $7 of diesel fuel, heat it up. I mean, and put in your I think a 25 or 26 liter tank, and it'll burn. If you're not a super hot person, it'll last you a week.
Yeah,
But
I mean, it's very economical.
How
I
much
see.
is
What you-
diesel fuel? $3.99 a gallon.
Yeah, I get what you're saying. It really is cool. Thank you so much.
You too. See?